15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Halor ka jingdan ka zero FIR persya yaw rangba snangbat Village Defense Party VDP penter kabla Kdew bagi Donkti ban bom yaw Trophimus khomaulo haka mit jong nyaw trek yoyong arajar apun rio yang dorbar snangbat wanra ya ka Metïap haka step ka babut uba Vivix MIPS SP ka East Khasiels District haka khat santrik jemang arajar apun rio ulaong bala dep pa jingker pa chayeng kasari ban Shah ban Khlong biang ya ka Metïap Shushu uba Vivix ulaong bakandai dakakam USDO ka Promotional Civil Subdivision ban bu tarik ban Khlong ya ka Metïap Trophimus bat ban le ya ka spot postmortem ban lap ya ka daw ka jingyap jong u. Layo jing tip na kita long kubor pulit bagi don kendai ngot kibra Shah Kdew Donkti kibra Shim Jamin lupa lani anticipatory bill men ha ka khatwai tarik jemang arhajar arpun rio. Kumban Kdew bak zero FIR hasadar police station daw kpa jong Trophimus ka ong bukun jong u Shah bom hadu banda yap hayeng dor bar snong kata haurang ba snong uba full moon kongs do bat gidekot VDP kate ka snong kat kum ka zero FIR la ong bakate ka jingja bom yap ka jia ha ka mit jong ka nyotrik yoyong arjar apun rio bat gidekot VDP kilawan bo e ka Metïap ha ka step jong ka pratrik yoyong arjar apun rio hayeng sa jong u bat tap ya ka ha ka sngi ka babut kata khandai tarik yoyong arjar apun rio ukpau ong bah ka por bale buram khaddu ya ka basa jong u lapen tip baka jing yap ka dei na ka jing bam jong u ya ki yet henry andala sapriang ka ka video usapen tip baka jing yap ukhun jong u ka dei na ka jing Shah bom palat pot ya ka baki pulet kila kurup no ya ka bat dei leng ba ka ni ka video bo kpa usa ujor na ka ejahar shaki pulet ya ka FIR la pa copy show SP ka East Khasiels District ha ka henry tarik jemmang arjar arpun rio but show officer in charge ka Promotional police station ha ka pra tarik jemmang arjar arpun rio.
We had received an FIR on the 5th of May from the father of the deceased, namely Trophimus Khamolo, 30 years, who had died in this incident. The father's name is Netne Biwet Kongsdor. And this incident happened on the 7th of April, where it was alleged that his son was assaulted by the headman and members of the VDP. Following this complaint, we have registered a case of murder and in Promotional police station. We have also prayed to the court to exhume the body of Trophimus Khamolo, and the date for exhumation will be fixed by the SDO Civil Promotional. Following the exhumation, we will conduct a spot post-mortem, and following the findings of the post-mortem, we will then take a decision what to do ahead. Of course, the investigation of the case is on and is in progress. 11 people have actually gone and received anticipatory bail in the District Council Court. After the post-mortem only we will be able to take a call whether we will move appeal for cancellation of the anticipatory bail. This road is monitored by the SDPO Promotional and SP City, but we will take a call after the post-mortem to ascertain whether the death was caused by the assault by the headman and VDP members. See, all VDPs have been instructed, made aware, and have also taken an oath actually to uphold the law, to work in tandem with the police, and to inform the police on any incident. In this isolated incident, VDP has actually not informed the police and allegedly taken the law into their own hands. So we'll wait for the post-mortem whether it is a fact that the death was due to assault. 103 ka 238 at ka 127 ka badega ba murder ka sakaway pada ka ban puri ya kaman nagda ka hakin ka don Kiba. Pria. Kila kan saya mukadmah mata te hadian la dia mata niat kuat buat kendaraan ka cancellation pabil te kasam ka arrest buat kan secaci ingin HP kata video ping pat kata video te trengalai ka ijhar buat kata ijhar mina register in saya analyze the video.
Habatin pej bahagi ki Shah plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khaw kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka Shah plus F haka jingsom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka Shah plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.